intelligence, consequences, and emotion.
Okay, thank you for reading, and we move on to statements below. The next page. Number 1. Electronic engineers have been developing computers for 25 years. Is that fact or not?
I think that's opinion because in the text I didn't find any statement that say electronic engineers have 20 years.
Can you see the second sentence? For a quarter of a century. 1 century is belong to how many years? Satu abad itu berapa tahun?
Iya, 25 tahun. 25 tahun, Miss. Benar berarti. Iya, that is correct. This fact.
Is electronic engineers have been developing computers. For a quarter of century, electronic engineers have been developing computers. For a quarter. A quarter itu artinya apa? Seperempat. Berarti 100 sebagai 4, 25 tahun. So is the fact. So we have to analyze the statement. Okay, the word. Okay, it's the fact. Okay. How about number 2? Computers are stupid.
Fact.
How can you prove it?
In the first sentence.
Computer is incredibly fast, accurate, and stupid. Yeah, it is stated from the text, so it's a fact. Okay, number 2 is a fact. Number 3, someday computers will have feelings similar to human emotions. Huh? How can you prove it?
In the
behind.
In the last
sentence.
At the end of the paragraph.
Let we analyze this sentence carefully. Perhaps.
Mungkin.
Yes, perhaps. So.
Kemungkinan.
Yeah, it's an opinion. There is uncertainty that computers will have a feeling like human emotion, right? So it's an opinion, not a fact. Okay. Number 4, computers can play chess. Is that a fact? In which sentence?
Ini bukan yang they can play chess, prove mathematical theorems.
Ya.
Oh, that one.
Benar itu. Prove mathematical theorems with human beings.
Recognize voices. Yeah. So it's it's the fact. Okay. Number 5, computers can translate languages.
Yes, it's the fact.
It's the fact. We can find in the text. Yeah. Okay, number 6. Computers will have a more important place in a society in the future. Is that a fact?
I think this is opinion.
Opinion? Why?
I didn't see the text explain.
It is not.
Find statement about that.
We didn't find a statement about this statement in this text, Miss.
Oh, the authors just state that computers will one day really think and feel, not have a more important place in society. So it's not a fact, it's an opinion. Okay, number 7. Computers can now perform some activities that are considered to be factors of intelligence.
Barusan saya baca teman.
Is it fact or not?
That's woman. Woman.
Opinion, Miss.
Why?
Because in the text, author say that that she or he asked about that. In one, two.
The author here what? In here what? Can a computer become
Six. In seven sentences, Miss.
7 sentences. Can a computer become artificially intelligent? And then followed by the
Tapi
sentence.
di kalimat ini ada activities like this are normally considered factor of intelligence. Consider factor of intelligence. Ini kan menjelaskan tentang apa nih? They can play chess, prove mathematical theorems.
Yang mana, Mbak?
Yang 3 dari
ya.
bawah. 3 dari bawah nih.
3 dari bawah. They can play. Ya.
Just like normally considered factor. Oh iya.
Ada ya.
Yes.
Activities like these are normally considered factors of intelligence. Yes. But with the direction of a person cannot work individually by itself, cannot, should be directed by a person, by a human. Okay, so it's a fact. Okay, right, correct. And how about number 8? People are slow and inaccurate.
Fact.
Do we talk about people here in the text? Mostly with
Second sentence.
the second.
People are unbelievable, slow, inaccurate, and intelligent.
Slow.
People are unbelievably slow, inaccurate, and intelligent. People are slow
But
and
unbelievably ya.
unbelievably. It's an opinion.
Yes.
So it's not fact,
Opinion.
right? Okay, it's an opinion.
Because not yes. Yes.
So please underline the unbelievably here. It's a signal word. Belongs to an opinion, okay? And number 9. Computers are used in education. Is that a fact?
Yes. Fact.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a fact.
In this statement, computers are now dependent upon in law, banking, medicine,
We can.
education. Yeah. You can underline that word. Okay? And number 10. People may someday depend on computers for conversation.
Opinion.
May someday. And we cannot found in the text, right? This statement. So it's not
Yes.
the fact.
Opinion.
Okay.
Yes. Yay.
So far so good.
Yes. Yes, me.
How do you think? Is that easy? Or sometimes make you confused? No, right? Okay. Huh? What did you say? Huh?
Please speak English, Anggun.
Not Mandarin. We are not in Mandarin class. Okay. And then we continue. Do the exercise 3. Read by Mbak Anggun.
Okay.
When a person needs
information on almost any topic, where does he or she look for it? The most likely place is in an encyclopedia. Today, an encyclopedia is a set of books with articles and pictures. Encyclopedias may soon be available in full color and sound. Instead of going to the bookshelf for an answer to a question, a person may switch on a television set and key into a computer network. The information will then be instantly printed across the screen with music and sound effects if appropriate. If the researcher is looking
For information about baroque music, he or she will not only read information about the music, but will also hear an example of the music at the same time. Information about the canary bird will include the sound of its song. Sound is not the only advantage of storing encyclopedia information on computer tape. Information can be immediately updated, as even occur and information change. The computer encyclopedia can add and change information. Our concept of the encyclopedia will change, says Kenneth Kister, author of the Encyclopedia Buying Guide. Encyclopedias will be released from the imprisonment of the printed word.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Anggun. And let's see the statements below and try to analyze. Okay, number one. Information can be stored on computer tape. Is it the fact? Information can be stored on computer tab. I just see that sentence.
Yeah, yes.
Where is it?
Where is it? Yes, miss. Yes, miss. I can find it. Computer imagine. Imagine can be stored in the tape.
Read it again.
Yeah. Yes, I can find it.
Where is it?
It's not the only advantage of storing encyclopedia information on computer tape. What? It's not in seven
Sentence?
seven sentence for under seven sentence.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. About canary bird will include the sound of its song.
Miss.
Oh.
Ya, Miss. Empat dari bawah.
Oh, this one. Sound is not the only advantage of storing encyclopedia information on computer tab. So, information can be stored on computer tab. So, it's the fact. Okay. And number two, encyclopedias will change. Will change? Does it change? Could it be changed? No, right?
No, yes.
No, we cannot change the history. We cannot, because the encyclopedia information is always all a fact, but it could be updated, right?
Yes.
Updated.
Immediately updated.
With a new information, with a new discovery by the, how to say this one? The historian, okay? So it's not, is that a fact or not? No, right? And please underline the word, even we found this statement in the text. The second sentence from below. Our concept of the encyclopedia will change. Will here is a model, belongs to uncertainty of the author's idea. So it could be just an indication. Yeah, it's an opinion. So it's not a fact. Okay, number two is not a fact. How about number three? It will be easier and more fun in the future to do research in encyclopedias.
Opinion?
Yes, miss.
What yes?
What?
What yes? I didn't say anything.
Yes, nomor 4 kan, miss?
Nomor 3.
Ini kan, mas?
Number 3.
Oh. Kurasa dia yes tuh ngomong sama siapa? Lagi si Anggun itu. Ayo.
Are you with me, Anggun? Mbak Anggun.
So.
Okay. So is it the fact
Yes,
or not?
I'm with you.
I think that is opinion, miss.
Because
We have not find that statement.
yeah, that's one. It's 1 point. How about the second point? This word
Because there is will.
will be easier and more fun is belong to indicates that this
Yeah.
word indicates this
Indicated future.
a feeling, an idea of someone. Yeah, will be easier and more fun is indicates that this only an idea, not the fact. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, please underline this word. Okay? This is we call the signal word.
Yes, opinion.
Yeah, okay? Please remember, if you find the modal word, it would be belong to an opinion because indicates uncertainty of the author's intention. Okay? Okay, number 4. Information can be immediately updated with a computer. Is that a fact or not?
Yes, that is fact. Yes, fact.
Yeah, as I mentioned before, information can be updated but cannot be changed. Yes. Okay, number 5. Encyclopedias will be released from the imprisonment of the printed word. Is it a fact?
Opinion?
Encyclopedias will
Tadi
be
aku baca
released.
deh kayaknya.
You find the
Yes,
statement?
Itu kan ada will lagi.
And the last sentence. Encyclopedias will be released from the imprisonment of the
will
printed
be.
word. It
Okay.
is stated, okay? So it's a fact. The answer is fact. Okay, number 6. Encyclopedias may soon be available with sound. Is it a fact or not?
I have read it. Where is it?
Is it a fact?
Yeah.
Yes, miss. Encyclopedia my
Fourth
soon
sentence.
available in full color and sound. On the Mason. Tapi kan Mason. Ya benar. Mungkin.
It's just a
Berarti
prediction. A prediction.
So,
We cannot prove
an
this.
opinion.
Yeah, it's an opinion because this statement just predict that in the future encyclopedias will be available with sound. Just a prediction. Not really certain about this. Not really sure, right? Okay, it's not.
Yeah.
For number 6 is not a fact. Number 7. Encyclopedias will soon change. Will soon change. Is it a fact?
Opinion.
Oh, opinion.
Opinion.
Even it is stated in the text, but because the signal word will, it's not really. We cannot prove this sentence. We cannot prove what will happen in the future, right? So is number 7 is not a fact, okay?
Opinion.
Just an opinion. How about number 8?
Gesture.
Number 8, Kenneth Kister is the
Yeah.
author of the Encyclopedia Buying Guide. That is fake news.
Kenneth
Fake news.
Kister is the author of the Encyclopedia Buying Guide. It is stated in the text.
Yeah.
Kenneth Kister.
Yes.
Which one? Which sentence?
Dua dari
On
bawah.
second below. On second below.
Oh, our concept of the encyclopedia. That sentence, right, says Kenneth Kister, author of the Encyclopedia Buying Guide. Yeah. Number 8 is a fact. Number 9. Hearing, sounds, and seeing pictures will make encyclopedias better. Hearing.
Opinion.
Hearing, sounds, and seeing pictures will make encyclopedias better. Can we find this sentence
Opinion.
in the text?
I can found.
Found that statement from the
There is
text.
just opinion.
Will, because the word will, just an opinion, and nobody, you cannot, yeah, just an idea. Okay, it's not.
Miss, berarti kalau ada kata will-nya itu pasti opinion kan?
Yeah.
Ya nomor 5 tadi kan juga itu.
Oh, will be released.
Will be released.
Okay, let me see. Because it is stated in the text. But how about number 9? Hearing sounds and seeing picture will make encyclopedias better. Is an opinion, do you think? Like, I think this person is better than the other person. Do you think it's a fact or not? No, right? Like, I think Mbak Eti is more beautiful than Mbak Ike. For example, do you think the same? No, we cannot force another person, every people, to have the same opinion with me, right? Can you understand my example?
Yeah.
Because our
Yes,
idea, our opinion is relative, right? Kita nggak bisa bilang misalnya Mbak Eti lebih cantik dari Mbak Ike. Bisa jadi Mbak Jela menganggap Mbak Ike lebih cantik dari Mbak Eti. Kita tidak bisa memaksakan. That's an opinion, right? Right?
Yes, Miss.
We
Yes,
cannot
Miss.
force.
Right, Miss.
So number 9 is not. It's not
A fact.
a fact.
Not in.
Opinion.
Okay. Nah, just an opinion. How about number 10? Learning about canary birds includes recognizing the sound of their song. Learning about canary birds includes recognizing the sound of their song.
About bird.
Canary bird. Information about canary bird will include the
Canary
sound
bird?
of its song.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
That is fact.
Fake.
The fact,
Information.
right? Because sound
Yes.
supports the idea to recognize the sounds of canary birds. So it's the fact. Okay, number 10 is a fact. Okay. So, do you have any question about this? So we not only identify the signal words, but also we analyze the meaning of the statements, okay? And try to connect with your background knowledge. Can you prove it or not? That's the clue, okay? If you have
Yes, Miss.
okay, if you don't have any question, let's move on to the next unit. Opinion. What is opinion? I already mentioned for several times. What is opinion? Please explain by your words.
This kind of when we think something, we have opinion by ourselves, but where is our opinion is cannot to push the same thing with other people's opinion.
Okay? Yeah, good explanation. How about the other? How about another? Okay, so opinion is an idea, is like a judgment, a value judgment, like a conclusion.
How we think and how we take the conclusion for something, what we see and what we think.
Yes, and it could be different with another people's feeling or opinion or conclusion or idea towards an object. We cannot push another person, another people to have the same idea, same conclusion with us, right? It's an opinion. It could be like an interpretation, a value judgment, or a belief that cannot be proved or disproved. So it's just in our mind, right? Based on our belief. That's how we call opinion. Okay? And what is the signal words of opinion? The statement of opinion should be contained of model. What is model? Do you still remember? Model.
Model is will can could my could my will may my can could
Yeah.
also yes.
Yeah, this kind of words indicates that is not is indicates uncertainty of the author's mind, the author's intention in the text. Try to to hedge those statements, the sentence, right? Okay, and an opinion statements should be contents of qualifiers. Qualifiers is consists of perhaps, maybe, possibly, probably, right? Yang artinya semua mungkin, menandakan ketidakpastian. Kalau kita menemukan kalimat kata-kata ini dalam sebuah kalimat, perlu kita pahami lebih dalam, hati-hati. Bisa jadi statement ini merupakan sebuah opini, bukan fakta. Kita tidak bisa buktikan. Tidak ada bukti di dalam statement ini. Apa saja contoh sebuah opini? Kalau tidak bisa dibuktikan kebenarannya, berarti statement tersebut merupakan hoax, right? Do you know hoax? Yes. A statement, a news that we cannot be proved. Okay? No answer. Nobody responds me. Where are you guys? Do you understand? Hello?